If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Prosper, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Prosper account by visiting their website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to your transfers. Once logged in, go to the transfer section of your account dashboard. This area will display all your recent and pending transfers. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. This will provide you with more information about the transaction and options available. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Find the option to cancel the transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You should receive a notification confirming that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. After completing these steps, you should have successfully cancelled your pending transfer on Prosper. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Prosper's customer support for assistance.